Samsung's new Galaxy S8 smartphone is bloody lovely, as you'll well know if you've already checked out our hands-on review, but it's not guaranteed Recombu's Best Phone of 2017 award just yet, thanks in part to LG's latest flagship phone, the LG G6. Both the Galaxy S8 and the LG G6 are big, meaty handsets, sporting rather large displays. Samsung's smartphone has a marginally bigger panel at 5.8 inches compared with the 5.7-inch G6, but it's also the more compact and lighter device. And that's thanks to the seriously attractive and great feeling design work, which has the screen curve around the edges of the phone and stretch near top to bottom. There is no wasted space, and the S8 really is comfortable to clutch and operate. That said, LG has done a great job with the G6 too. Once again, that screen stretches close to the rim, with rounded edges that fit your palm in a pleasing fashion. Both phones are water resistant and pretty tough as well to survive a fair bit of punishment. The S8 and the G6 both sport a widescreen display with an almost identical aspect ratio. This is 18:9 in the G6's case and 18.5:9 on the Galaxy S8. They're both plumb and massive, and they boast the same crisp QHD+ resolution. You can expect vibrant visuals that really stand out, no matter if you're browsing photos or enjoying HD movies. LG and Samsung have also both added support for mobile HDR video playback for improved contrast and colour range. And if you've got a huge media collection, good news! Either phone here offers microSD memory card support for carrying around hundreds of albums and high-def movies. Both phones here rock Android Nougat with their own unique look and feel thanks to their individual overlays. Our favourite here is Samsung's TouchWiz UI, which adds plenty of nifty bonus features. For instance, you have built-in support for the Gear VR platform, which offers a strong selection of virtual reality games and experiences. Samsung has also added a one-touch virtual assistant called Bixby, who boasts context-sensitive smarts. This can prove a step above the Google Assistant AI found on the LG G6, although of course only extensive testing will prove for sure. Security-conscious users will be glad to hear that both devices sport rear-mounted fingerprint scanners. LG also offers its simple knock code feature on the G6, allowing users to unlock their phones with a number of taps on the screen. However, Samsung goes one better with its built-in iris scanner housed above the display. This can be used to unlock the phone even when your hands are wet and dirty, and as it's infrared, it even works in the dark. Samsung's latest Exynos processor is crammed inside the S8's gorgeous frame, and our hands-on session showed that this flagship handset boasts plenty of power to spare. You certainly shouldn't see any kind of slowdown anytime soon. Likewise, the LG G6 sports Qualcomm's Snapdragon 821 chipset, which again provides premium performance. As for battery tech, the S8 packs a 3000 mAh cell, while the G6 goes one further with a 3300 mAh battery. You can expect at least a day of moderate use between charges, though of course we will be testing this out in full for our in-depth reviews. The LG G6 shuns wireless charging, so you'll have to plug in a Type-C USB cable to get it powered back up. In contrast, the Galaxy S8 can be recharged either via Type-C or wirelessly. However, both phones support fast charging, so you're not hanging around for ages waiting for those beefy cells to refill. The LG G6 uses Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0 tech for a half charge in roughly 35 minutes and full charge in an hour and a half. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S8 uses Samsung's own fast charge feature, which yields similar results. When it comes to the optics, Samsung hasn't strayed too far from the excellent camera tech found in last year's Galaxy S7, and for good reason. This 12-megapixel f1.7 aperture lens should prove dependable in pretty much any conditions, complete with OIS and dual-pixel autofocus as before. Basically, you can expect sharp, great-looking photos pretty much all of the time. While the S8 also offers the ability to shoot 4K resolution video and to stream live to the likes of YouTube and Facebook. LG meanwhile has gone for a dual lens rear camera instead, with one of those lenses offering a wide-angle view of the world. The standard 13-megapixel lens has built-in OIS and is also impressively fast to focus, while the f1.8 aperture helps to produce some attractive enough night shots. You again have the option to shoot 4K video, as well as capturing GIFs and funky montage pics. Check back soon for our full LG G6 and Samsung Galaxy S8 reviews, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recombu YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.